Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the best strategy you can use to make more money on Forex. I've been using this strategy for a long period of time and it has been working for me, and I decided to share it with you so you could work on it and try to see if you can make more money from it trading Forex, crypto and the likes. I hope you're getting it right. As you all know, I'm actually a specialist when it comes to Forex trading, and I also trade crypto and the likes. I hope you're getting it right. So first and foremost, this is how the strategy works. I make use of two indicators right here. The first indicator is CMEMA trend bar, and the second indicator is QQEMT4. Now, for you to actually locate your indicators and the trading view, what you have to do is to just come over right here to indicator. You come over to the technical. So right here, you're just going to type in, CMEMA. Before you know, you're going to have it right here. I hope you're getting it right. So as for the second indicator I used, the same thing you can actually do that by actually coming over here and actually placing it as QQEMT4. And right here you're going to choose this. I hope you're getting it right. So this two indicators are actually used right here. So the settings right here, you come over right here to the settings and you can see that the EMA uptrend is actually 34. I hope you're getting it right. You come over to the style, you leave it all through this way, and you come over right to the visibility and you leave the setting all through this way. And after you're done with it, you just hit OK. So the next one is QQEMT4. So you come over right to the setting right here. Then right here in the input, the RSI is 14, the slow factor is 5, the QQE is 4.236. So when you have that, you come over to the styles, then you leave it all through this way. Come over to the visibility and you just have to make it all through this way. So when you're done with that, you just have to hit OK. Now this is how the strategy goes. In the course of the uptrend, whenever you see the green trend pulling up, that actually indicates that the market is actually going up. And also in the case of the downtrend, whenever you see the trend bringing out trade, that actually shows that the market is definitely going down. Also on the second indicator, whenever you see this yellow trend crossing this red, that actually shows that the market is also going up. And also whenever you see the red crossing the yellow, that actually shows that the market is definitely going down. I hope you really understand this strategy and you know how I've explained it so far. If you have any question, do ensure you drop it in the comment section below. But before that, I'm going to go into the market, analyze the market. I'll tell you how you can actually trade this strategy. So guys, we see a trading opportunity right here. So when you look at this trend right here, looking at it, you see that the green line is actually coming out right here. So now to get a stronger confirmation right away is to also come over right here. If you could see it so vividly, you could see that this yellow is crossing this red right here. So this tends to show us a good indication that this trade is definitely going to go up. I hope you're getting it right. So whenever you want to use this strategy, ensure you confirm this with the two indicators. I hope you're getting that right. So what you're going to do right here is to ensure you're going to set up your support and the resistance, and also you're going to set up your take profit and your stop loss, right? So what we're going to do is to come over right here to this bar. So right here we just try to set up our our support. So we just try to bring it right here. We tends to bring our support right here. When you look at it, let's take this up here. Right here, this tends to serve as our support area. The reason is because whenever the market is actually coming, floating and going up and down, it always tends to hit right here before it pulled up. I hope you're getting it right. So right away, let's take this to actually get our resistance area. So right here, let's just place this and let's try to place our resistance area right here. I hope you're getting it right. So we're going to place our take profit and our stop loss on this particular trade. So we'll have to come over right here, and we're going to long because we're actually buying right here. We're going to come over right here to the long position. So we're going to place it right here, and we're going to take our profit right to this level. I hope you're getting it right. So right away, when we've done that, we're going to ensure we place our stop loss right to this level. I hope you're getting it right. So right away, let's try to just bring this down right here. So when you look at this is actually 1/4 of our profit. That means we're actually trading with 1% and we're aiming to have 4 times of our trading capital. I hope you're getting it right. So I always advise you, this is actually a quick scalping strategy, and also whenever you're trading this type of trade, ensure you are really focused on this trade, and also ensure you're taking profit should be much more better than your stop loss. I hope you're getting it right. Anything less than that, you shouldn't go for it. So what you're going to do right here is to watch out to see how the trade is going to play. So guys, we've actually hit our take profit right here. When you actually see it right here, let me actually bring it right here so you could see. Let me try to pull it right here so you could see it. So right here, if you could see it right here, we've actually hit our take profit right here. Reasons why we entered this trade is because we've actually seen a confirmation that there is actually, you've seen a two confirmation. The first one was the fact that this line is actually bringing out green, and the second one is that this right here, this yellow line right here is actually crossing the red line right here. So far the trade tends to play out very fine with us. So this type of trade, if you tend to stick it with 0.01 lot size, definitely you would have made nothing less than $20 right here. And also if you add up to good money, possibly you put in like $200 and tends to use 0.05, you would have made over $100 right on this particular trade. So if you didn't really understand how this trade goes, I'm still going to go into the market, analyze the market, and show you how you can trade this particular strategy. So guys, we also find another trading opportunity right here. Now in this trading opportunity right here, we can actually see that this trend is actually coming down right here, and also you could actually see it vividly right here that this particular yellow line is crossing this red line right here. So what we have to do is to ensure we always maintain our support and resistance, ensure we take our place our take profit and stop loss right here, so that whenever the market tends to go against us, we won't be much more losing compared to the winning rate. I hope you're getting it right. So what we have to do right away is to come over right here and take our trend. So we're going to place our support right here. So we're going to place our support right here. So we're just going to place it right here. When you look at it, whenever the market goes up and down, it always bounces on this area before it's pulled up. The next thing we're going to do is to also place our resistance right here. We're going to take our bar right here. We actually see that most times the market tends to fluctuate and goes through to this particular area. So right here will be our support, and right here will be our resistance. So after getting something like, the next thing we're going to do is to place in our stop loss and take profits. So right here we're going to come over right here. We're actually buying, so we have to long. So right here we just take over right here, and we just come over right here, and we just bring it up right here. So our stop loss is definitely going to be right here. I hope you're getting it right. So our take profit is just going to be here. So right here we're having 1:3 of our take profit right here. So after placing it right here, what we're going to do is to just wait by and see how the trade is going to go, either on our favor or against us. So guys, you can actually see that the trade actually goes in our favor. Right here we're able to hit our take profit right here. The reason is because we're able to sight in these two strategies and we've made use of it, and it has given us the best thing we could want. On this particular trade, if you put on 0.05, I'm very sure when you actually hit your take profit right here, it would have made nothing less than a $50 or $100 right here. I hope you're getting it right. So this strategy really works so very much, and it has a winning rate of 98% of it. I hope you're getting it right. So I'm still going to go into the market and analyze if it is actually in the selling process, how you should be able to trade it. So guys, we're able to find another good strategy right here. So in this particular area, we're actually in the selling position right here, and also you could actually see that this trend is actually giving us a sign right here that the market is going to go down. When we tend to come over right here, we discover that there are high possibility that this market is definitely going to go down. So what we're going to do right here is to ensure we place our support and our resistance. So come over to our bar right here and actually draw our trend to create our support area. So after drawing our trend, we just come over right here and we could just place it right here. If you observe it, this is where the last support layer tends to hit before it pulls up. So right here, the next thing we're going to do is to ensure we take our take profit and our stop loss. Come over right here to this particular layer right here, then we're going to short because we're actually selling on this trade. So we're going to drop it right here. We're going to just ensure we just pull this right here to our resistance level, then our stop loss should just be around here. I hope you're getting it right. So right away we're going to put down our take profit down to this particular resistance, to this particular support layer. So right here, if you see this trade, you could see that this is actually 1:3 of this particular trade. That means we're actually using 1% of our capital to get 3 times of the trade if the trade definitely favors us. I hope you're getting it right. So what we're just going to do is to just sit down, watch the trade and see how the trade is going to play out. So guys, this trade was unable to hit our take profit. Reason is because market tends to reverse right here. That is why I always tell you, whenever you're trading these particular strategies, always ensure you are always with your phone. Try to see how the market is going. I hope you're getting it right. This is what we call a quick scalping strategy. You have to wait and trade. I hope you're getting it right. I'm very sure if you're able to wait and you're able to make profit down to this length and the market tends to start reversing, when it tends to see this particular signal right here, you definitely tends to pull out of the market. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, this is how you can actually trade this strategy, and as I've said earlier, this is one of the best strategy I always use to make money on Forex and crypto. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop today on this particular video. I hope you like this video. If you do ensure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Till I see you again in our next video, ensure you keep making money. Bye for now.